Today we are going to see how to declare variables in Python and how it is different from variables in C++. So let's go to the online compiler. We are going to mywhiteboard.in. X is equal to 10 and y is equal to 10. Print id of x and print id of y. id actually prints the address of a particular variable. Now let's run it. So it is printing the same address for both the variables, which is a kind of surprising if you are coming from C++ background. Let's see how it works in C++. We are defining the same two variables. Now print address of x, address of y. So we can see there are two different variables. If we make the modification in the value of a particular variable, it is not going to change the address. So here what I do is x plus equal to 1 and print the address again. We can see the address of x remains same. Now go to Python. We make modification to a variable x plus equal to 1 and print id of x. Run it again. We see the address gets changed based on a value. In Python everything is actually object, contrary to what we have seen in C++. Now let's go to C++ again. We have integer x is equal to 10. Now we are creating one reference of x in the variable y, and we are now printing the address of x and y, and let's see. So in this case we can see x and y both are having the same address what we used to have in Python when they used to have the same value, but when we change the value the address gets changed. But in C++ the address does not change. So in this case whenever we are printing the address of x or y, before modification and after modification address remains same. But one interesting point here is if we try to print the value of x and the value of y after we have modified only x, we can see it is modifying both the variables because both the variables are referring to the same reference actually, because the pointer is same, address is same for both of them. In Python what we have seen is initially when the value was same their address was same. When we changed the value of a particular variable the address got changed. Now again if we print the address of y, which is not changed, so it retains the earlier address and value of x and y different here because they are two different variables. So this is how variable declaration works in Python and in C++. For knowing such more tricks, follow me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.